Teachable Skill Certification Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to products mentioned in this video are included in the description below. Teachable is a widely recognized platform designed for individuals and organizations looking to create, sell, and certify online courses. Its skills certification feature allows course creators to offer certificates of completion, providing learners with tangible proof of their achievements. This feature is perfect for educators, coaches, and entrepreneurs aiming to enhance the credibility of their courses while boosting engagement and learner satisfaction. Key features of Teachable include customizable course creation tools, integration with payment processors, and a seamless student management system. The skill certification feature allows you to design certificates with your branding, helping to solidify your professional image. The platform supports multimedia content like videos, quizzes, and downloadable resources, ensuring an interactive and engaging learning experience. Teachable is particularly suited for professionals in education, business, or creative industries who want to monetize their expertise or expand their reach. It also appeals to learners who value skill verification as part of their career or personal development journey. The platform's analytics tools allow creators to track student progress and optimize their courses for better results. While Teachable is user-friendly, its pricing may not suit those on a tight budget, especially at higher tiers. However, the return on investment is significant for creators who leverage its features effectively. The skill certification option, in particular, adds a layer of professionalism that enhances the overall appeal of your courses. Overall, Teachable's skill certification platform stands out as a reliable, comprehensive solution for those looking to provide high-quality, credential-backed online education. If you've used Teachable or are considering it, share your thoughts in the comments. For more information, check the links in the description below.